Andy here, Roman Andy, and today I'm in Kyoto, and I need to not get knocked over by a bike, but also to get something to eat. I'm about to visit Kinkaku-ji. It's just up here. But before I do, I wanted to try some soba noodles with duck. And I settled on this soba restaurant called Hanamakiya. Because I was searching through the restaurant options and I found this place, and that's what they had on the menu, and I thought, that sounds cool. Oh, and there's a waiting list. I think we're down here. So we've got a few tables before we can get in. So anyway, you've got to put your name up on the list and then you wait for your number to be called, I guess. Right, there you go. Those guys have been let in, we've got to wait here. I think it's fair to say if you have to line up and wait for a restaurant, then it must be popular, right? And if it's popular, that must be for a reason. Getting very close. This is actually making the buckwheat noodles here. This is grinding them down, and then they'll hand make them into soba. So soba, by the way, is buckwheat noodles. Is? I don't know. There you go. Okay. Alright, now I've got to work out exactly what I'm going to order. I know I'm going to have duck. There's like a side duck, or there's a main duck in this, with a soba. So apparently one of the famous dishes is herring soda. Okay folks, so I've ordered the duck soba. So it'll be a soba noodle soup with duck. I'm going to get some rice on the side. And they've given us buckwheat tea. So I'm going to try that right now. I'm a little apprehensive. Can't quite put my finger on what that flavour is. It's alright actually. It doesn't taste like matcha at all. It doesn't taste like brown tea. Yeah, it's really hard to put down the flavour there, but it's nice to have something to start off with and something that's local. This is cute. There's different sections here, so you can have here on the more Western style tables, and at the back there they've got tatami mats. If you want to sit on a tatami mat and have your food there, why not? There you go, have a look at that. That looks absolutely magnificent. You've got some duck, you've got little mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, noodles and spring onion, and probably who knows what else in there. And a little bit of rice on the side. That's all you need. That'll keep me going till dinner. They make these noodles here on site, so I'm very excited to get into this and tell you exactly what it tastes like. A little shiitake.
That's coming.
Look, you'll find it with vegetables, with beef, with different fish, with chicken. Duck you'll find it with, but not quite so often. And this is Kyoto duck, so it's from the region, so it's regional, which is great. And it's a very different meat, and it's obviously a different meat. So let's give it a go. It's got a bit of pepper. It's just a very juicy meat. Really nice. Really, really nice. Oh yeah, this is worth trying. If you're, if you can get your hands on some duck soba, I recommend it. But it gives a lot of flavour to the soup, and therefore, theoretically at least, to the noodles. It's really added flavour to the noodles, which is great. And generally, I'd say Soba are definitely not my favourite noodle, but they're very, very popular, and they're quite highly regarded by people in Japan. But when you get that flavour that comes through it, then, and these ones are softer than the ones I've had before. These are a flat noodle. Usually I've had more of a round noodle. This is a great little dish. It's a big bowl. It's a big bowl. I'll say that much. And I'm enjoying it. So I give them full marks. Full marks. Yeah, really, really nice. Definitely. Kinkaku-ji. Look, you're going to have to give yourself a bit of time. Luckily I'm not on a tight schedule today, and I could afford the time to wait. The bowl came pretty quick once I was in. But yeah, there's still people out there waiting who are behind me. So I should probably eat up quickly so I can free this table, because they wouldn't put them on the table with me. So anyway. And there you go, folks. The best bowl of Soba I've ever had. I've had a few. Not that many. I mean, a dozen maybe in my life. That duck and Soba, that goes together super duper well. So what was this place called? Hanamakiya? I do recommend it. I do recommend it. Give yourself an authentic Japanese meal that is delicious, nutritious. I don't know if it's nutritious. It's got some protein. It's got some good protein. And in a lovely little place like this. This is almost a large restaurant for Kyoto. There's so many little, tiny little places. It's not really large. I'm just kidding with you, but Japanese loves a small, cute establishment. And I've seen a lot smaller than this one. Anyway, I really enjoyed my meal here today. 2 thumbs up. All my thumbs. I've only got 2, but I give them both. Thank you for watching me on this vlog. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, etc., etc. Should you feel the urge. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end.